Manage asset insurance policies and track claims settlements. Insurance management begins in the Asset Management module, the systematic protection of enterprise value. Centralizing coverage details ensures assets remain protected against financial loss throughout their entire operational lifecycle. The listing screen displays all current policies to maintain high visibility of active coverage status. Insurance entries require specific policy details to align with external provider agreements. Company identifies the legal entity holding the asset and corresponding insurance coverage. Policy start date defines exactly when active financial coverage begins for the selected asset group. Policy number provides the unique identifier for external tracking and communication with the provider. Policy premium captures the recurring financial cost required to maintain active and valid asset protection. Policy end date establishes coverage expiration and triggers critical renewal requirements for the procurement team. Accurate expiration tracking prevents coverage gaps that expose the organization to significant liability. Responsible person identifies the internal employee managing the specific insurance relationship and policy documentation. Sum assured represents the maximum financial recovery available under the active policy. Asset links the insurance policy to a specific piece of enterprise equipment for accurate tracking. Insurance provider names the external organization responsible for fulfilling financial claims. Insurance type categorizes the coverage to streamline financial auditing and reporting for different asset classes. Status validates the current viability of the policy for active claim processing and financial protection. Saving the record initiates the integration of coverage data into the central enterprise asset ledger. Detailed policy records allow for instant verification of coverage during incident response and emergency situations. Comprehensive views summarize key terms, premiums, and effective dates for easy auditing and compliance reviews. Integrated actions allow users to launch claim requests directly from the associated policy management screen. This direct connection ensures claims are always linked to valid, active, and verified insurance contracts. The insurance claim module facilitates critical financial recovery processes following asset damage or total loss events. New claims require precise documentation to ensure timely and accurate processing by external insurance providers. Claim amount specifies the total financial reimbursement requested from the insurance carrier for the incident. Insurance identifies which active policy will fund the specific asset recovery request. Claim reason documents the operational justification and incident context for the specific financial recovery request. Claim date records the official timeline of the incident for compliance and detailed operational auditing. Claim provider confirms the external entity processing the request based on current active policy terms. Claim reported by attributes the request to a specific employee for internal accountability and follow-up. Claim status reflects the current stage of the financial recovery workflow within the system. Initial claim submission sets the record to pending status for internal verification and administrative review. Active claims are tracked on a central dashboard to monitor reimbursement progress and settlement timelines. Claim settlement actions are used to update system records once payments are finalized by the provider. Claim settlement amount records the final total paid out by the insurance provider. Claim settlement date logs the fiscal period when reimbursement funds are officially received. Claim verified date marks the completion of the internal audit for this specific financial request. Status updates signify the successful recovery of funds for the damaged asset. Processing settlements ensures the asset ledger reflects the accurate financial health of the organization. Granular tracking provides a complete audit trail for all insurance-related financial activity. Consistent status updates improve the accuracy of financial forecasting for asset repairs. Integrated workflows minimize operational risk and optimize overall asset value. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.